Modern mining at the Fosterville gold mine commenced in 2005 and has continued since this time. The Fosterville gold mine is a high-grade underground gold mine located approximately 20 kilometres east of Bendigo. Currently, we are looking to extend our operations beyond the next 10 years through the Sustained Operations Project and build on the existing relationships we have with the surrounding communities and businesses. In order to support the continuing operations for at least the next 10 years, we are proposing to extend the underground mining development north and south, expand our existing open pits and build new infrastructure to support the Fosterville gold mine into the future. This will require an additional waste rock dump, a borrow pit, 2 new CIL hard stands, in-pit and above-ground tailings storage facilities within the existing tailings compound, construction of an embankment around Hunt's Pit, a brine evaporation pond, as well as supporting infrastructure such as haul roads, an infrastructure corridor for energy supply and water reticulation, and 2 additional ventilation shafts designed with underground fans. Except for the managed aquifer recharge program, which injects treated mine water back into the aquifer, all other project components are consistent with activities already undertaken at the Fosterville gold mine. There are no proposed changes to the methods of mining, ore processing, production rates, or waste management processes. Truck routes to and from the Fosterville gold mine will remain the same. Our rehabilitation and closure plan implementation, which sees the land return to its original land use whilst meeting strict environmental compliance criteria, will ensure that any current and future disturbance areas are progressively rehabilitated to the highest standard. The Minister for Planning determined that an environment effects statement is required for the Sustained Operations Project. The potential environmental and social impacts of the proposed activities are assessed and documented in the Environment Effects Statement. This process provides an opportunity for local community members and other interested stakeholders to provide feedback on the proposed extension. This project will allow us to continue our meaningful economic and social contribution. We currently employ over 800 full-time equivalent employees, the majority of whom are Bendigo local. And in 2021, we invested $313 million in grants, donations and partnerships. We look forward to working with the surrounding communities as we move through the Environment Effects Statement process, and we will continue to maintain our high standards by implementing, maintaining and verifying relevant impact mitigation measures. Fosterville Gold Mine is committed to responsible mining practices that contribute to the prosperity of the communities and the health of the environment in which we operate.